So now let's talk about the electron transport chain. So again, it's in the inner mitochondrial matrix. It uses electrons from NADH/FADH2 to pump protons and create more ATP. And the process is called oxidative phosphorylation. So make sure you know all of these. And I wouldn't just know them by complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, complex 4. You should definitely know them by their names, okay? So complex 1, NADH oxoreductase, okay? You turn NADH into NAD plus, and then you pump 4 protons. Again, don't call it complex 2, okay? We're going to call it succinyl-CoA oxidoreductase, okay? So here you don't have any H plus pumping, and this is where your FADH2 donates electrons. Complex 3, again, I would just call this cytochrome C oxidase, okay? Instead of because on your exam, they will not be calling this shit complex 3. They will actually say by the name. I did that full length yesterday, and literally, they had it by the name instead of complex 3. So what you need to know is complex 3 pumps 4H plus, and then the Q cycle transfers electrons to cytochrome C. Next, we can go over complex 4. So again, this is just called cytochrome C oxidase, and this transfers electrons to oxygen gas to make H2O, and then you pump 2H plus. We went over this in the last video, but NADH makes 2.5 ATP and FADH2 makes 1.5 ATP. And these are very important as well. So your NADH settle from NADH to glycolysis. So malate aspartate shuttle is more efficient, and then your glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle is less efficient. Okay. So this is about it. This was really quick. I know I might be talking too fast, but if you know this, you're ready for your MCAT. So let's just also go over 10.4 as well. So oxidative phosphorylation. So proton gradient drives ATP synthase, okay? Meaning that like if we have our ATP synthase, the reason why it's working is because you have a lot of positive charges on one side, and then you have no charge on the other side. So what happens is H plus flows back into the matrix, right, to balance out the proton gradient, and that powers ATP production. So regulation. ADP levels regulate electron transport chain activity, okay? If O2 is limited, NADH and FADH2 accumulate, which then slows down the T-say cycle, okay? So, awesome. I will see you guys in chapter 11.